Damage to bumpers and plastic parts and trims can come in various forms, not to mention damage to underlying structural parts. At ATL Bodyworks, our plastic repair service includes repairs to headlight and fog light mounting brackets, front grills, spoilers, and bumpers. Our experts assess these small but important areas of needed repair, outline your options, and get the job done quickly so you can get back on the road. You'll be happy to know that we can get your vehicle looking as good as new thanks to our expert technicians.